A very good morning to all. Class 5. In our last class, we have discussed about division of fractions, in which we have discussed two patterns. One is example of division like this: divide 1 by 3 by 2 or by 2 by 3. Okay, in such a place, what we were doing, we were simply making the reciprocal of the division. And the second is simplify. Here also we were doing the same thing, that is, where this division place is given, we were making the reciprocal after the division fraction. Now today we'll discuss about the different form of doing the simplification, that is not with the division symbol. It is like this: 6 by 7 divided by 18 by 35. Here it has been written like this: 71 by 26 divided by 213 by 13. It might have written like this: 71 by 26 by 213 by 13. Thus concept is same. Here division is given with the division bar, and in the previous question it is given with the division symbol. Same we have to do, same thing. The divisor means this: 6 by 7 divided by 18 by 35. So divisor is 18 by 35. Here divisor is 18 by 35. So we have to make the reciprocal of the divisor, that is 35 by 18. First the question is like that. We have to convert the question in the symbol form: 6 by 7 divided by 18 by 35. So we have written the same thing in the division symbol. Now what we have done? Reciprocal of divisor, that is 35 by 18. So we have put the symbol of multiplication. Why? We make the reciprocal of divisor by putting the symbol of multiplication in place of divisor. First we change the symbol of division into multiplication, and we make the reciprocal of the divisor. 18 by 35, so we have made it 35 by 18. Now cut this fraction into a simplest form or a lowest term. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. So this fraction has now come to the lowest term. This becomes 5 by 3, which is equal to, we can write this in mixed number: 3 1s are 3, 2 remainder by 3. That is the denominator itself. In the same way, see, 3 by 8 divided by 9. The same form. What I told you, when only single number is given after by or after the division, means there is by 1 down, means 1 is the denominator. See here, the same thing has been done. Here the divisor is 9. First we have to write this form into division form: 3 by 8 divided by 9. So divisor is 9. Now we have to make the reciprocal of 9, that is 1 by 9. 9 means we have to observe that this is 9 by 1. We have to think like that only, that this is 9, so nothing is there in the denominator, means there is 1. That is fact. Divisor is 9, so its reciprocal is 1 by 9. 3 by 8 divided by 9. Now we have to give the multiplication symbol, and we have to write the reciprocal of the divisor. So this becomes 1 by 9. Now 3 1s are 3, 3s are 9. This becomes 1 by 8 3s are 24. So this is proper fraction. So no need to convert it into mixed number. The third form, this is also same: 9 divided by 18 by 35. So this is 9 divided by 18 by 35. When there is nothing down, means the denominator side, it is not required to change this, write this also as 9 by 1, because this is dividend. So it is not to be, when if we leave it like this also, it doesn't make any difference. If you want to write it like this 9 by 1, then also you can write, or if you write only 9, then also this is okay. It is always considered as numerator. So 18 by 35. We have made the reciprocal, that is 35 by 18. Simply put the symbol of multiplication in place of division. Write the reciprocal and cut it. 9 ones are 9 twos are. 35 by 2 is the lowest term. Now we can, as this is improper fraction, we can write this fraction into a mixed number. So we have written like this. 2 ones are 2, 15, 2 sevens are 14, 1 left, so 1 is remainder and 2 denominator as it is. In the same way, we have to do exercise 9D question number 2. As question number 1 I have given you for homework, and PDF also I have sent to you of exercise 9C, that is multiplication, and 9D, that is division. I have sent you the PDF also. One of this type question, one is of this type also, and the last is simplification pattern also. So I have sent you PDF of all this type of questions. Now today we'll move on to the second pattern of the question, that is division. So we'll write here exercise 9D, as it is exercise 9D, class work. Today's date is 13/07/2020. Okay, and question number 2. So find the question in its simplest form. Whenever we divide dividend from any divisor, the answer which we get, that is either quotient or remainder, whatever it is. So you have to get that answer. See question number A. I will show you the 3 patterns, whatever 3 or 4 patterns are here, by mixing up, and rest questions you have to do it yourself. Now move on to the first question. Take first question as B. Okay, I am taking question number B. What is question number B? 5 by 16 divided by 9 by 14. 5 by 16 divided by 9 by 14. So we have to first write this in this form. 5 by 16 divided by 9 by 14. So we have written it into a symbol form. Now you have to make the reciprocal of this. So divisor is, if you want to write this, then only you can you write, otherwise you can skip this step also. Okay, if you don't want to write this step, you can simply skip also, and after this you can do this step. 5 by 6, in place of division we put multiplication symbol and the reciprocal, that is 14 by 9. Now simply cut this. Is it possible to cut this? 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. Now after this, no, this is the lowest term. So 5 7s are 35, 3 9s are 27. As this is improper fraction, we can convert this fraction into a mixed number. 27 ones are 27, left is 8, so 8 is remainder and denominator is the same. So this is the answer. Now I will take the second pattern. Second pattern is this. Take question number G. Okay, I am taking question number G now. 7 by 9 divided by 28. So 7 by 9 divided by 28. First you write this into a division form. Divided by 28 means this 28 divisor having, now divisor 28 means this is 28 by 1. So reciprocal, so its reciprocal is 1 by 28. Now what you have to do? 7 by 9 divided by 28, you have to write it in a reverse form, that is multiplication, and 1 by 28. Now you have to put it into a lowest term. 7 ones are 7 fours are 28. So 1 by 9 fours are 36. This is the answer. Now what is the next pattern? See, 24 divided by 3 whole 3 1 by 3. Let's take question number K. 24 divided by 3 whole 1 by 3. So first convert this. 24 divided by 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 10 by 3. When single number is given in the dividend side, no need of writing as 24 by 1. If you leave it as it is also, it is no problem. No, so we always recognize this 24 as the numerator. Now we can write it as 24. Give the multiplication symbol, make the reciprocal of the divisor, 3 by 10. Now you can cut it. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So this is the lowest term. 12 3s are 36 by 5. Now 5 7s are 35, 1 remainder, 5 is the denominator. So you can write it like this. This exercise is very easy, children. You can do it yourself. So today's homework is you have to complete this exercise 9D question number 2 in your copy. Tomorrow we'll start the word problems. So today itself you have to complete your chapter number 9 question number till question number 2 exercise 9D in your copy. Tomorrow we'll start the word problem. So I will send you this PDF also. Do this and complete your work. Take care. Bye bye.